Model, 63-plate Citroen Dispatch HDi 90 L1H1 1000 Enterprise needs head gasket, 36k miles no VAT bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 36,372. MOT, the 6th of March 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UCA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing instantly. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.